Today, working on the modified teardrop again. Modified Benroy teardrop. It's a Benroy. I'm modifying the front. I have a little bit more space up here for AC to be a little bit higher instead of bringing this curve way on down. So we get back over here. And right now, what I'm doing is spars or roof trusses, whatever you want to call them. I'm going to go ahead and drill my holes in there because what you don't want to do is, let's see, get a couple of them, get them all nailed and screwed up here. I put mine in with 3-inch screws. Get them all screwed up here, and then they're too close to get a drill in, and you have to kind of drill it from both sides at an angle, and it really makes for an ugly job. I mean, I know nobody else ever see it, but I'll know it's there, and I don't like it. So I'm putting them all exactly 4 inches from the outer edge. So when I'm stapling the roof on, I know to stay away from this area right here, the 4-inch area all the way down. And I try to do this. This is my 5th teardrop here, so I'm going to try to do it every single time I make one. Repetition sometimes can save you some issues. So pretty much on these, I'm going to make sure you come down, and you can measure each one if you want. If you get really good, you can eyeball it. It's 3 1/4 right there, and then 3/4 of an inch is 1/2 inch and a half. So right there, and take a spade bit and use at least a 1/2 inch. I think if you use smaller, it really makes it more difficult to pull the wires, and plus if you want to run an extra more wire than what you thought, then you're not struggling with it. Then I'm going to drill each and every one of these, and then I'll go back and I'll cut them 58.5 inches. And after I cut them and lay them all out, then I go back there and nail them. So I must be really tired today. I'll go back there and put screws and glue in them to hold them up. We'll get our top on. And we can measure up for our bulkhead and measure up for our max air fan, or whichever brand fan we go with. Could be a fantastic roof vent air.